The only materials required to install Low Profile SpanTrack are the hangers, labels, and safety caps. Set the front pallet rack beam to the desired discharge elevation. To get the right flow, set the rear beam at a higher elevation. The front beam should be set approximately 1 inch per foot of depth below the rear beam. Next, pick up one set of hangers and place them on front and rear beams. The hangers will be the same in the front and the rear. Place the track in position on the hangers. Test the pitch to ensure proper product flow. Add labels and end caps to the hangers. Simply slide your labels into the built-in label holders that are located on the hangers. Add 2 end caps to the sides of each label holder.